Hi, my name is Dana, and I'm with Austin Opera, and I am so excited to share this series with you called And They Lived Happily Ever After, all about fairy tale operas and how they relate to us. Bravery is a theme that comes up in fairy tales again and again, and that bravery might look like the hero slaying the dragon or rescuing the princess. But we all now know that she can rescue herself. Hopefully you don't have any dragons to slay, but that doesn't make you any less of a hero. Bravery and courage today might look a bit different than it does in a fairy tale, but no less significant and just as extraordinary. There are everyday heroes all around us, and you might just be one of them. Let's play a game to find out. Some very brave friends of mine are joining me to play this special game of Agree or Disagree with you. I hope they inspire you to think about bravery in different ways, just as they have inspired me.
I am brave in many ways.
Agree or disagree? Pause the video now if you'd like to chat more about this topic with those around you. Then press play and listen to our friends share their thoughts with you.
What bravery means to me is...
Bravery means to me...
Bravery to me means...
being courageous.
It means, like, if someone's afraid to do something, but they try it anyway.
Standing up for yourself, standing up for what you feel is right.
Trying to make a friend and being open to the new idea is just as brave as going and slaying a dragon.
Not being what other people want you to be and being yourself.
Standing up for yourself or for others or for what you believe in.
That's what bravery means to me.
I am able to face challenges.
Agree or disagree? Pause the video now if you'd like to chat more.
The ways I face the challenge.
If you get like all jumpy and you're like, it's not gonna help. So just take a few deep breaths.
I like to do the balloon breath.
You can always stop, take a break, and come back with a fresh mind.
So you put your hands on your head, so the balloon is empty, and then you inhale, fill the balloon up.
You can ask for help from someone.
And exhale, fill the balloon down.
Just kind of think of what you're afraid of and why you're afraid of it. And I think that even that just kind of makes it like less scary.
I try new things.
Agree or disagree? Pause the video now if you'd like to chat more.
One time I was brave was, I could say, ziplining.
When I was doing my tennis tournament.
When I was ziplining, this is my first time ever. I was really scared of heights back then. Still kind of am. So I made it to the point where you had to jump off, and I couldn't. I just froze. Like, the fear of heights just got to me.
I had butterflies in my stomach. I felt a little bit worried if I got a shot wrong. If I hit the net, since usually I'm able to get over the net, make me feel kind of scared. If my opponent was going to make it very hard for me.
It took me a minute to compose myself. And then eventually I jumped and I was ziplining and I was like, this is awesome.
I just played as best as I can.
after that, I went up and went there like 5 more times because it was awesome seeing the landscape and everything. It was just amazing.
I stand up for myself and others.
Agree or disagree? Pause the video now if you'd like to chat more.
If someone is bullying you or something like that, you can learn martial arts.
But it's really brave to say what you want to say.
Where you can verbally say, stop it.
If you're a kid, you should say it.
Because it's important to do that earlier so you can learn that as a life lesson to stand up for yourself later in life.
So just shine yourself, and that's a bravery that no fairy tale princess ever had.
I'm unique and that's great.
Agree or disagree? Pause the video now if you'd like to chat more.
Just being yourself and trying to be what other people want you to be, or what your parents want you to be, or what your classmates want you to be isn't who you are. It takes a great deal of bravery to slay a dragon or stand up to your enemy and stuff, but being yourself and being having different beliefs but saying those beliefs is really brave, and it's really courageous, and it's a different way of showing it, but it's a good way to show it.
I'm an everyday hero.
Agree or disagree? Pause the video now if you'd like to chat more.
Well, kids can be everyday heroes in many ways.
Without them, some things may never happen.
And it makes you grow as a person. It makes you feel better and makes you happier.
They can make a difference in a lot of things. They can make a difference in the world.
I believe in myself. I make a difference. I am a hero.
I hope this game of agree or disagree and the amazing words of my courageous young friends helps you realize that you are an everyday hero, that your voice does matter, and that you do make a difference. Showing up for ourselves and for each other is bravery in its truest form. Thank you for joining me today to learn and explore what bravery means to you. So, hero, till we meet again, use your voice to speak your truth, to sing, and to lift up those around you. I'll see you back here for our next video as we dive into our first fairy tale opera, Hansel and Gretel. Bye now.
I just think that bravery and courage are always addressed as, going on an adventure, but a small act of bravery is just as important as a big one. So just, you do you, because bravery is what you want it to be.